Hi everyone, hope all of you are good. As you all know, there are many browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera Mini, UC browser, Mozilla Firefox, etc. But these browsers allow us to access only Surface Web and they continuously trace your IP address. So today I am going to discuss with you about a browser which allows us to access privately and do not trace your IP address. So myself Sandeep, you are watching Internet Fun. So let's begin the video. Before going to browser, let us discuss some key points. What is an IP address? So basically IP address is a numerical label assigned to your computer which is connected to a computer network. So whenever you try to search something, your IP address is traced by a host. So here you can see 192.168.1.101 is a IP address of this device which is operated by a person. So it serves two main functions, that is network identification and location addressing. So if you try to search something illegal, this IP address is traced by a host and he may take legal action against you. Next, World Wide Web is divided into a three part, that is surface web, deep web, dark web. Surface web is just 4% of a World Wide Web that we use, that is Yahoo, Google, Reddit, CNN.com, Bing, Facebook, everything which we use in a Google Chrome, UC browser, Opera Mini, everything is a surface web. Next, that is a deep web or a dark web. Both are 96% of a World Wide Web. So let us discuss deep web. What is a deep web? So basically web, or we can say it is invisible web or hidden web. It is part of World Wide Web whose content are not indexed by standard web or search engines. So we can't access it easily through a normal browser, that is Google Chrome or C browser, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Next, what is a dark web or a dark net? So dark net or a dark web it is a illegal or a black market where hacking groups or botnet operations are carried out. It is also restricted web which cannot be accessed by anyone. So never try to go through this browser and search for a dark web. So never visit the dark web. So I am talking about the browser called as a Tor browser. Tor browser is a browser which hides your IP address or it changes your IP address, which do not allow to any host to trace your IP address or a location of your device. This browser also allows you to search for illegal things, that is deep or dark web, but I suggest you do not go through this browser to a deep or a dark websites as they are illegal. Tor browser is legal in many countries. It is also legal in India to use it, but you can search only legal things. The question here arises that if you want to search a legal things, then what is the use of a Tor browser? We can search legal things through Google Chrome and all. So used by journalists who are protecting their sources, whistleblowers trying to keep their jobs, and law enforcement officials trying to track down criminals and not blow their covers in the process, corporate IT professionals conducting security tests on their own networks, and other users that need the anonymity that Tor provides just to do their jobs. So let us see how to install Tor browser. So first you all need to copy this link given in the description. As soon as I press enter, you can see Tor defend yourself. Here 4 different links are given. First one, that is for download for Windows, other that is download for operating system, that is Apple, and third that is download for Linux, and fourth that is download for Android. So I am going to download for Windows. Here you can see downloading has started.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
So here you can see downloading has completed, so let us install it.
Won't you take me home?
So here you can see we have successfully installed Tor browser. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested to know how Tor browser work differently from other browsers, so you can comment in comment section.